What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to triple your affiliate marketing income. Now, if somebody told me years ago they take me from $1,000 a month to $3,000 a month, I'd be like, are you kidding me? Sign me up. But that's what I'm going to do in today's video. I'm going to show you exactly how you can triple your affiliate marketing income with very little work. So if you're ready, let's go. So before we jump into the main part of the video and I show you how to triple your affiliate marketing income, I want to show you something else. I put together a 6-week, it's a 6 weeks. It's affiliate marketing, it's an online coaching program. I'm gonna walk you through different steps. I'm gonna show you how to increase your income, increase your commissions, make more sales, get more traffic, make more money, be happier as an affiliate marketer. And I'm gonna show you that within 6 weeks. Right? So if you want to know more about it, okay, watch the next few minutes of this video. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it and then we'll get into the video. So, top of the computer. Alright guys, so let me talk to you about this online coaching. It's a 6-week online coaching program for affiliate marketers. Here's the cool part. Right now, I'm offering a special. It's 50% off for a limited time. Also, this is not going to go on very long, and I'm not going to open this up to everybody, okay? So there is going to be a limited amount of people that will be able to get in because this is going to be tied to my time. Now, you can come over here and read it if you want to, okay? But this is pretty much what you get. It's a 6-week coaching program to lead you to success. You get 3 detailed action plans, which I break up over those 6 weeks to help you quickly improve your business, and you also get 3 hours of one-on-one coaching over the phone. Here's how it works, okay? And so this is what's included. So the 6 weeks of coaching, first off, here's how we do it. I go and call you, and so I'll send you an email after you pay for the coaching program. It is normally $299, and that is also a discount at $299, but I'm throwing another additional discount of 50% on top of it. So if you book using the link down in the description box below, you will pay $149, and that comes with 3 hours of over-the-phone coaching, plus I give you 3 customized action plans for your particular business. So here's how it works, okay? So let's say you pay today and tomorrow we set up a call. So the 6 weeks starts the day of our first coaching call. So if we can't set up a call for a week or two, no big problem, no deal. Okay, don't worry about it because it doesn't start until the first coaching call. Okay, so you have a full, and I guarantee you have a full 6 weeks of one-on-one coaching from me. Now, here's how it works. So I go and set up a call with you. We talk for about 30 minutes. Let's say we do that today or tomorrow. We talk for about 30 minutes. After we talk, I put together a 2-week action plan. I send it all to you through your email. You can go over it. You can, start working on those different things I'm telling you to do. After 2 weeks, we come back together. We do another 1-hour coaching call and talk more about how your business is doing, where you want to go, some of your goals. And then at that point, after our coaching call, I will do another action plan. So this will be the second customized action plan specific to your particular business. I will go and send that to you. And then at 4 weeks, we will do another 1 hour. Okay, so we will be up to 2.5 hours of coaching calls, and we would have already had our 2 customized plans. And at 4 weeks, again, we do our another hour. And then after that hour, I create another 2-week action plan, send that to your email. And these are gonna be things like if you're doing stuff on YouTube, I'm gonna go and show you, okay, these are the keywords I highly recommend you go after. These are the different channels I recommend you replicate. These are the ways I'd suggest you improve on your thumbnails. Things like this, and I'd create actual steps for you to take. And those are going to be inside the action plans. And then at the end of our 6 weeks, we will do a 30-minute coaching call just to kind of wrap things up, see if you have any questions, and see what we can do pushing you into the future for the next couple weeks or month, okay? And so that's all it is. That's the online coaching program. It's a 6-week program. Right now, again, normally I'm charging $299, and this is kind of an introductory program that I've been doing for a little bit, but as of right now, I'm doing a 50% off deal using the link down in the description box below. You can get it today for $149, okay? It's 50% off the already discounted price, okay? That's something that isn't gonna last long, so if you wanna get some online coaching for affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you book it now because again, it's a limited time offer, and as soon as the spots fill up, they fill up and we're done. Alright guys, so hopefully if you want that additional coaching for your affiliate marketing business, I'm here to help you out any way that I can. Normally I tell you, send me a message over on Facebook, send me an email and I'll help you out there. The problem is, so many people send me messages, so many people send me emails, I can't get to all of them. However, with this coaching program, I guarantee you a spot. I will open up time, I'll call you, I'll send you emails, we'll work on your business hand in hand, we'll go step by step, one-on-one coaching to guarantee, okay, to almost guarantee your future success. That's my promise to you, is I'm gonna do whatever I can to help you out. So let's get back to the video. I wanna show you how to triple your affiliate marketing income. But how do you do that? It's hard, right? It's very hard. But how do so many people make so much more money than you do in the exact niche, in the exact business that you're currently in? Here's how. Let me show you. First off, we start off with a simple landing page, a simple website, a simple, sales letter, whatever you're using, okay? We start with this. I just wrote LP for landing page, but here's the key. First off, you need to educate over promote. And this is what most people don't do. Most people are promoting offer after offer after offer with absolutely no education in between. That's wrong. So look at this, okay? And I'm gonna show you a simple little funnel. I've shown many people this before, but most people aren't completely understanding exactly how this works and why it's so effective, okay? Got your landing page. This is where people land on the page and they go to some type of offer, some type of free gift, okay? That you're gonna give away. But on the thank you page, after they opted in, that was the action, they opted in. So now, what's gonna happen? You're gonna send them emails. Here's how it works. They opt into a landing page. They go over to the thank you page. And on that thank you page, you're promoting a product or an offer as the affiliate. So right here you have your offer, okay? You're showing people that offer on your thank you page after they already opted in. And then from there you might have that offer send them to that affiliate link to buy said product. That's great. That's how people are making one time their affiliate income, their earnings, is by doing this. Here's where most people struggle, and this is where most people absolutely fail, absolutely bomb. No emails. This right here. Okay? Most people are not sending out emails, additional emails, follow-up emails. And when they do, they send all the traffic to that affiliate link. Here's the problem. This is why it doesn't work. When you're sending out email after email after email, and it's going to product here, product there, product A, B, C, D, okay? It's going to 50 different products. What happens is it's just information overload. Let's say I'm talking about making money online, which I do all the time. And I'm sending email to ClickFunnels, email to Builderall, email to this course, email to this traffic generator, email to this YouTube something, okay? And you're going to course after course after product after product. What happens is information overload. You eventually stop watching, stop listening, and eventually you opt out of this. So you are stuck with your one-time affiliate earnings. But if you do this, here's the difference between someone that makes $1,000 and someone that makes $15,000, $25,000, $50,000 a month. Not every single email goes to that one offer. Most links are going to go to that one offer, those two offers, those three offers. But we're not going to put links to 50 different things because, again, information overload. When humans are tasked with choosing between 50 different products, they probably choose nothing. But when they're tasked choosing between 2 or 3, they choose 1 or 2 of those products. Okay, it's just the way we work as human beings. So, this is what I recommend. Instead of linking directly to that affiliate link on every single email, which is great, maybe you think you're going to make more sales, usually you don't. Here's what I recommend. Maybe email 2, you send a link. Maybe email 15, you send a link to that product. Maybe in email 3, you don't do any links. All you do is educate. So if I'm talking about making money online, what should I do? I should show somebody how to make more money online. Don't just send them to this product and that product and this service and that course and this guy's coaching, because it's not going to work. It's too much. Okay, so if you want to make money, let's say you're in the fitness niche, here's what I do. Email number 1. You're going to send out that free gift that you promised them in the landing page, the thank you page. You want to talk about that affiliate link inside email 1, okay? Because you have some type of connection there. And inside email 2, no link, absolutely no link, okay? Educate. Oh, you want to lose weight? Okay, here's what I recommend you do. Do step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you should start losing weight, okay? Email 3, are you losing weight yet? How can I help? What questions do you have? Send me any questions. Send them over to my email, I answer them. Okay, that's email 3. You're educating now. You're teaching somebody how to do something. That's great. That's what you need. Maybe email 4, okay? Down here. Email 4. My writing was good. Email 4, maybe you don't send them that product. Maybe you're sending them to a different product, something that's an alternative. Maybe this right here is some exercise bike. That's a $300 exercise bike and you absolutely love it. But it's $300. Most people are not gonna have $300 just to throw away on an exercise bike, right? But maybe in email 4, you send them to an alternative. Something that is $125, not $300. $125 is much easier to spend than $300. Why? Because most people can make that in a day. $300 probably takes you 2, maybe 3 days to make $300. But if you can work for 1 day and pay for that item that you've been eyeing for the past month, that's what most people want. Okay? So again, if you want to triple your affiliate marketing income, you can, but you have to think differently. If what you're currently doing is not working, stop doing it and do something else. All right, so let me go over the 3 keys to triple your affiliate marketing income really quick. First, key number 1 is less products, okay? You need to promote less products. That's the key. That's the main key. Less products is more. Less is more. You ever heard that? Probably. If you've heard it, make sure you smash the thumbs up button because I guarantee you, less is more works almost in every case, on every instance, okay? Key number 2 is you need to educate over promote. If you can educate more, promote less, you can make more money. And key number 3, okay? Key number 3 is very important. Email, 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 email. Send more and more emails. You don't gotta send 2 or 3 emails a day. Send an email on day 1, send an email on day 2, send an email on day 4, send an email on day 7 and day 10. But be in their inbox so that maybe if they click on that email and read it and they see, oh, he's recommending this product, I've been looking into that. And I think that's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna go and buy it. And then ching, you make $15, $85, $260 some dollars by promoting those different services and courses and products. That's how you make more money as an affiliate marketer. So, if you have any questions on what I just talked about, the drawing I put up on the board, sorry it wasn't better, I'll work on that. Okay, if you have questions, let me know what your questions are. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you're gonna get in on the 6-week coaching program, I highly recommend you do it now, because again, it will fill up and the price will go back up to the already discount price of $299. You wanna know what the actual price is for this? Okay, it's $750. I charge $750 on a normal time. That's 3 hours of one-on-one coaching plus, okay, plus the 3 action plans, because I guarantee you, if you follow the action plans, you're gonna see results. 99% of my students have seen results. I think it's like 261 people out of 263 people have seen results. The other 2 didn't see any results. So 99% success rate. That's pretty good. So again, if you have any questions, you can always ask questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.